show you a accessibility tool that's available on all Chromebooks. It's called Select to Speak. And so I'm going to go into the accessibility tools by clicking down here in the bottom right-hand corner. And then I'm going to click on accessibility. Once I click on accessibility, I want to select the Select to Speak application, and it'll put a check mark behind it, and you'll see that it also puts an icon for it right down here in the bottom. So now I'm going to click out of the accessibility options, and I'm going to click on that icon. Once I clicked on that icon, now I can select what I want to be read to me. So I'm going to click on this question.
What color is the cat in the hat's fur? Required question asterisk.
And then I can click this next button to take me to the next sentence.
1 point. Brown. Black and white. Red and green.
And when I'm done, I can click the X to close it. And I could select my answer. And then I could move on to the next one.
In the book there is a line that says, and then something went blank. How that blank made us jump. What made them jump? Required question asterisk.
And that's how you can use the Select to Speak accessibility tool on Chromebooks with your students.